One of the most common and most important questions I hear from buyers is, how much do I actually need to buy a home in Edmonton? And I get it. Between headlines about housing affordability, confusing mortgage rules, it can be tough to know what's real. In this video, we're breaking it down in plain language. No gimmicks, no jargon, just a clear understanding of what it really takes to buy a home in Edmonton and how to prepare yourself financially so you can make a confident move when the time is right. Let's start with the down payment. In Canada, the minimum down payment depends on the price of the home. For properties up to $500,000, you'll need at least 5% down payment. For homes priced between $500,000 and $9,999, you need 5% on the first $500,000 and 10% on the amount above that. If you're buying a property over $1 million, you'll need at least 20%. The structure is the same across Alberta and applies whether you're buying a single-family home, townhouse, or condo. For example, if you're buying a $450,000 home, your minimum down payment would be $22,500. But, and this is important, if you put down less than 20%, you'll also need to pay mortgage insurance through CMHC or a similar provider. That cost gets added to your mortgage and calculated as a percentage of your loan. Now, let's talk about closing costs. These are the extra costs that come up between the time your offer is accepted and the day you take possession. Most experts recommend budgeting 1.5 to 2% of the purchase price to cover closing costs in Alberta. That includes legal fees, land title registration, tax adjustments, home insurance, and often a home inspection and appraisal. These costs aren't optional. They're required to finalize your purchase and take legal ownership of your new home. If you're buying a condo, there may also be a condo document review fee. These aren't huge costs individually, but they add up. And you'll need to have this money available in addition to your down payment. Another important piece is your deposit. This is not the same as your down payment. Your deposit is submitted within a few days of your offer being accepted and shows the seller that you're serious. It does form part of your down payment though. In Edmonton, deposits generally range from $5,000 to $20,000 depending on the price point and market conditions. This money eventually goes towards your down payment, but it's expected up front and needs to be liquid, meaning it can't be locked into an RSP without a withdrawal plan or tied up in investments. A strong deposit can actually strengthen your offer, especially in competitive situations. Then there's the question of monthly affordability. Just because you qualify for a certain mortgage doesn't mean that number fits comfortably in your lifestyle. Your mortgage payment is only one piece of your monthly costs. You'll also need to factor in property taxes, utilities, homeowners insurance, and, if applicable, condo fees. If you're moving from a rental where utilities were included, this can come as a surprise. A great way to prepare is to look at the average monthly costs for the specific type of home and neighborhood you're considering. Your realtor and mortgage advisor can help you estimate these numbers accurately. One area where first-time buyers can gain an advantage is through the government incentives. While the specific programs may change over time, there are often initiatives to help reduce the upfront burden for buyers entering the market. These can include first-time homebuyer incentive, RSP home buyers plan, and potential tax credit. Even if you don't qualify for all of them, it's worth investigating how they might lower your initial costs or help you build your down payment faster. Keep in mind, incentives are not one size fits all, and what helps one buyer might not benefit another. A great strategy is to speak with a mortgage broker who specializes in first-time buyers. They can match you with programs you can actually qualify for and help you structure your financing efficiently. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of a financial cushion. Owning a home comes with surprises. Furnace repairs, roof maintenance, appliance replacements. Lenders want to see that you're not emptying your bank account to buy a home, and you'll want to keep at least a few $1,000s set aside for unexpected expenses. I always advise my clients to think beyond the purchase. Ask yourself, can I still live comfortably and cover expenses if something unexpected comes up next month? If the answer is no, it might be wise to reduce your price range or continue saving for a few more months. Buying a home in Edmonton doesn't have to feel out of reach. With a solid plan, the right professionals on your side, and a clear expectation around what's needed financially, it's absolutely achievable. Whether you're ready to start viewing homes or you're still in the saving phase, I'd love to support your journey and help you map out a path to homeownership that makes sense for your life, not just for today, but for the years to come. Remember, the goal isn't just to buy a home, it's to own one comfortably and confidently. That's what makes it your smoothest move.